Hello friend, today we are going to discuss on a very important topic, and this topic is how to make life simple. From ancient time we are researching, our society is researching, our religion is researching on the topic how to make life simple. We have various scientific method, we have various practical method, we have various tools and technology to make it simple. But of course, more we try, little we success. It means that in this trying, there is some gap, there is some sort of something that is yet to be done. And while doing this thing, to make the life simple, effective, balanced, sometime, for some days, for some hours, we succeed in it, but in most of the time, in most of the cases, we always face the situation, we face the consequences when we are caught in the situation which is not up to our calculation, which are far from our contemplation, our thought, and we think that life is all about this only. Means we are compelled to accept the life how it is, and we just start living the life, we just start following it without thinking that how can we change it. So today we are going to discuss on a very important topic, how to make life simple. We will talk about the different stages, different steps through which we can change our life, we can make our life in a such a balanced manner, in a such simple manner, in a such organized manner, so that we will start enjoying the life. Now the first step, that is very effective one, is that avoid telling lie. Yes, this is very effective one, that lying is a bad habit. We used to preach the children that be truthful, always speak the truth. But when the same situation comes to us, in different cases, in the most time, or in different situations, we used to lie to somebody. Lying is not an art. Somebody told that lying is an art and it is a way to succeed. But of course, it is not an art. It is an negativity. It is an negativism which makes us to fall in such a situation, make us to caught in such a situation where we can feel ashamed, where we can feel shy. So while lying also, or after lying also, we start calculating the things, start calculating the outcome, that what will happen. And believe me, the result will not up to your expectation. Ultimately, it has negative impact on your life. So the first important thing is that avoid telling lie. The second important effective strategy is that always speak less, listen more. It is very important strategy. Even the nature has provided us 2 ears and 1 tongue. It means that nature wants us to speak less and listen more. Better we are listener, better we are speaker. And when about the quantum and the ratio of speaking will be lower than the hearing, then we can't be a good speaker. But when our ratio and quantum of hearing will be more comparatively to the speaking, then we will speak with more quality, more exactness, more precise, with more confidence, with more logical manner. So a good listener can be a good speaker. So we have to follow this principle, that we have to speak in less manner and we have to hear in more ratio. Moving to the next step, that is very important one, is that have trust on your family, your wife, your children, and your co-worker, your boss, the person who is working below you. Trustship is a very positive quality, is a very higher quality. Once you start trusting to somebody, it means that you start believing that for what purpose they are working, for what purpose they are doing the work, they will bring prosperity, they will bring the positive outcome through their activity. And this ultimately soothes you, make you feel comfortable, and your life start becoming simpler and simpler. So have a trust on your surrounding, on the nature. Trustship is a very good quality. Moving to the next stage through which the life can be a simple one is that don't take all decision only you. Spread the decision, disperse the decision, give other one also such a liberty, such a gap, so that they can also decide. And this should apply in your family also, in your home also, and in your working place also. Don't take all the decision. Believe on other one, as I have already said that trust is an important factor. So once you start trusting, then you will leave other one to decide on different matter. And once you start taking decision on all the matter related to all the things, then what will happen in the long run is that the feeling of bossism will be there, but at a time that moment will come when you will feel overburdened by the work, because for each and every decision people will ask you what to do. So to avoid such circumstances, to make other one also felt their presence, a leadership quality, to develop leadership quality, give them freedom to decide. And believe me, it is very good quality. And not only you will grow, your organization will grow, your home will grow, each and every individual related to you will grow, and you will feel very content and in very you will get very good feeling with it. So avoid taking all the decision. This is very important strategy. Now moving to the next strategy is that, which has a lot to do with the simplifying of the life, is that early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Very old saying is this. This is very old saying, but it has still the power and the magic to change the situation. Don't work too late. Don't wake up from the bed too late. Make a gap in your working and your, you can say, the time to go in the bed. There should be the gap, and not very late, but not too early also, but at the optimum time. For example, 10 o'clock at the night, you go to the bed, and in the early morning, for example, 5 o'clock in the morning, you wake up, you leave the bed. That is very good habit. Unnecessarily, if we are working in the too late in the night, then our metabolism starts changing, and it has a negative effect on our body, on our mind, on our physical aura. So early to bed and early to rise is an also very important principle to make the life very simple one, very organized one, very energetic, very powerful. Next important things which we are going to discuss is also very important, is that while jogging, while going to the temple, while visiting to some other places where you think that you will not receive a very important call, leave the mobile at your home. Yes, keep distance from the gadget. We are becoming so much anxious about the future. We are so much, you can say that, thoughtful regarding our surroundings, regarding our friends, families, that we always glued to the mobile. That is not good. It is not good. So avoid keeping the mobile always with you. Sometime leave alone, give the time to yourself, walk lonely, talk to yourself, and this will only happen when you will gadget less at that time. So leave your all the gadgets or your connectivity in your home. Try to connect with yourself. So while walking, while jogging, while going to the temple, while marketing some small thing in the market, leave your mobile at your home only. Next important strategy through which you can make the life simple, balance is that have faith on unseen power. It may be God, it may be the nature, it may be the good vibes. Have a positive faith. And the trust and the faith, both are different things. We used to trust on the visible things and we have faith on something that is not visible. Faith is a very important factor, is a very powerful factor. Faith says you that tomorrow will be not as we are living today. Means tomorrow will be more positive. Tomorrow will have more to offer to us. Tomorrow will have more work, more prosperity, more offering for us. Means whatever the things that is coming in our life will be much better from current one. This positive faith have lot to do, have lot and power and potential to change our life, have lot of blessings for us, because we are always facing sometimes some or other type of problems in the life, and faith can communicate with that. Faith have answer for that. That it is for today, it is for this moment only. The coming time, this will not be there. So have faith on invisible. Next important strategy or step is that have a good bunch of friend. Yes, try to make some good friend, try to believe on good friend, try to believe on the friendship, and your friend can be your life partner, your son, your daughter, your colleague, anybody can be your friend. And sharing with the friend, sharing your problem with the friend, sharing your feelings with the friend, sharing the difficult of the life with the friend is a very good activity, is a very good habit. And believe me, they have the answer to your difficulty. They have the answer to your problem. Sometimes you will get some very good, very logical, very effective remedy from there. So making a good friend, having a more number of good friends is a very good idea or good habit. Cultivate it in your life. So these were some of the effective strategy to make the life simple, positive and balanced. Hope you have liked this. You will like this strategy. You will follow this strategy, and ultimately you will able to change your life in a positive direction. With that, bye bye. Take care. Thank you.